Hey guys, so a bit of a backstory before we get started with this video. For my last two videos, you might have noticed a trend that I upgraded basically all the things I bought in 2022. Well, if you guys remember from my videos back then, there was one device which I purchased that I ended up selling because I made a whole, hate video on it. Well, a couple of months ago, I rebought that same device, and here it is. I have a Galaxy Z Flip4 and this bespoke blue, silver, navy color. So, yeah, this is gonna be relevant to the video in a second. But yeah, I have had this phone for about 2 months, I think. So yeah. Basically, the hate video I made, ignore that video. After using this a second time, after getting this for much cheaper price than I was at launch, my mentality towards foldables has changed a little bit. Although I'm still not a big fan of the Galaxy Z Fold. I still think the Galaxy S Ultra is better, but you can debate me on that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so welcome to the actual video. And you notice a bit of a trend. I'm upgrading my gear from 2022 to 2024. So we went through the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, the Galaxy Watch 7. So what is next? Obviously, the Galaxy Ring. I don't have a Galaxy Ring. It is not being sold in Canada yet. Apparently it's coming later this year. I don't know. Samsung did not say anything about it. Either way, I don't know if I'll even buy it because it costs like the same as the watch. So it's, yeah. But no, we got something else here. We got the Galaxy Z Flip6. Boom. Yeah, we got the Galaxy Z Flip6 in all its glory. And you're like looking at it, which color they got? Did I get the white? They get the peach? They get the black one? Well, you'll have to find out when I open it. And I noticed a new trend with the Samsung boxes. They're a bit more colorful. It's like an outline of the device. And you can see a shadow. It's really rather hard to, you know what? Let's get a flashlight going here. Let's use the Z Flip to our advantage. All right, so you can see here, there's a shadow and it goes around to the side of the box, like wraps around. And you can see here, we've got the Galaxy Z Flip6 logo and it wraps around with the shadow. So that's cool. I think they'll do a shadow with their device in 2025, just going forward in general. So bit of an update design for the Samsung phone boxes. Not crazy different, but it's something. And on this side, we've got Samsung. On the bottom, we got our IMEI serial number, all that jazz. You guys know the drill by now. And on the back here, we've got the contents of the box. There's a phone, there's some energy verifier, you can recycle it, yada yada. There's two pull tabs. We are gonna pull them both and get on with it. Get on with the phone. No more showing the box because no one cares about the box. You used to toss it away. I never toss my boxes. I was getting for trade-in. But anyway, enough yapping. All right, so here's the Galaxy Z Flip6. Boom! And what color is this? It is the carbon fiber crafted black. It's called crafted black. And here we've got the charger, the manual, the SIM jack tool. You guys know the drill. It's all in this big convenient box. And wait, where's the SIM? Oh, there's the SIM eject tool. Yeah, you guys know the drill with that. All right, we are gonna open this up. So we got immediately. I noticed a big change to Samsung phones in Canada. The stupid IMEI is not on the back of the phone anymore. Yes, you can actually use clear cases, record videos of your phone, all that stuff. No more stupid IMEI. No getting your IMEI blocked, etc. Like this phone, back of it has the IMEI. The phone I'm using, the S23 Ultra, has the IMEI on the back of it. Why was it there? I don't know. They finally got rid of it. Enough rambling. We are gonna peel this off. So here's the front of the phone. Boom, peeled off. And the back also has a cover. All right, we got the phone all booted up. And I noticed one really odd thing. The phone sounds like it's popping. Uh-oh. I'm hoping that's not a defect. I really hope not because I don't want to get through the pain of returning anything. But here's the Galaxy Z Flip6. And immediately, The crease is a lot better. I can barely feel it. Let me try to get it lit up and show you guys this crease. Might be easier with the screen off. I am kind of oh, you can barely see it. Of course, over time, just like a lot of foldables, the crease will get worse. And a lot of people were wondering about this, you know, this back. It feels, yeah, it is definitely textured. Like you can hear me rubbing on it. It kind of feels like, you know how do I describe it? You know how back in like elementary school, you guys had those agendas with that interesting like 3D image, like you move it shows like a different image. It feels like that. It kind of sounds like that too. I thought it would feel more like carbon fiber. Like here I have my personal carbon fiber wallet and it kind of matches it, and you can see, unlike the other colors for the Galaxy Z Flip6, this one is glossy and very reflective, but it's got a cool matte black hinge, so that's nice. Uh-oh. Yeah, on mine, it sounds like it feels like the screen is popping up a bit. I don't know if this is defective, and I hope it's not. I hope it gets better over time. Maybe if I keep doing this a couple times, it'll get better. But yeah, that is concerning. I will definitely make a follow-up video on this if it gets better or if other people online have experienced this. But that is it. Quick comparison with the Galaxy Z Flip4. You can see here they look very similar. This has matte bezels. This one has glossy bezels. And in terms of height and I believe width, they're identical. You can see the crease on, oh, you can't even see the crease on this either. You can kind of see the crease on this. Yep, there's that big ugly crease. So, yeah. A lot of the tech is a lot better on the new one. Just don't know why mine is making that weird noise. It's kind of scary. But yeah, well, we'll get this set up and see how it is. And that is about it for this video.